Hello, this is Steve from IWillGetReady.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make an oil lamp out of a small mason jar, a wire coat hanger, and an old sock, and the olive oil. So the first thing you do is you take the coat hanger, and you cut the bottom piece, and this is going to make a holder for the oil, for the wick, for the oil lamp. Go. And you take your pliers, needle nose pliers, you grab it up near the top like that, and you wrap the coat hanger. And you need a coat hanger because you need good stiff wire. And you wrap it around about 2 or 3 times like that, and it probably won't come off, but that's where you take your other pliers and just kind of snap it loose. You want to make sure that you have a coil and doesn't get jammed up. So your coil should look like that. And probably cramp up the top of this a little bit so that it'll hold the wick a little better. There we go. And now you want to take and make a larger base on the coil. And this will go down in the jar, and you put a handle on it. It gets down in the jar like that, and you measure about here, and you want to just kind of bend it over so it hooks over to the lip of the jar, like that. So your completed coil should look like this. It should have a handle, a large base, and then a coil in the center. And that holds your wick. One of the best items for a wick is an old sock. Take and cut a piece of the sock about 1/4 inch wide, about 2 inches long. And if there's any thick ribbing at the end, you want to cut it off. And then you put the sock up through the coil, which is the wick, the holder for the wick. And pull it up like so. Here you may need to take your pliers and squeeze it again a little bit to tighten up the hole. There it goes. Let's see if I can tighten this up a little bit so the wick stays. It doesn't drop down. There you go. And there, you want your wick sticking up about like that. And you're going to drop it down in. Okay, I'll set that aside. I'll put some oil in the lamp. You want to use olive oil. You don't want to use any other kind of oil because different kind of oil will smoke. Vegetable oil will work, but it'll smoke. Now I'm going to take a wick that I've got set off to the side here that's been soaking. It takes a while for the oil to soak